Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're breaking down Iran's deadliest weapons that it can actually use in a war against Israel and the United States. How powerful is Iran really? Iran is not a superpower like the US, but it has built one of the largest missile and drone arsenals in the Middle East. Let's dive in. Long-range missiles. Sejjil. A medium-range ballistic missile with a range of about 1,500 to 2,000 kilometers. Some versions up to 2,500 kilometers. This means it can hit almost all of Israel and nearby US-linked bases. Emad, a precision-guided missile with a range around 1,700 to 1,800 kilometers. It's designed to hit cities or key military bases with better accuracy. Ghadr, upgraded successors of the old Shahed 3. Range, 1,600 to 2,000 kilometers, carrying heavy warheads that can damage big targets. Khorramshahr, a long-range liquid fuel missile with around 2,000 to 3,000 kilometers range. This missile can threaten Israel and even deeper inland targets in the region. So in short, Iran can cover Israel and the Gulf with these missiles alone. Precision and newer missiles. Iran has also developed more precise and modern missiles to beat enemy defenses. Kheybar Shekan, a medium-range ballistic missile with about 1,400 kilometers range. Iran has already used this missile in real attacks on Israel. Haj Qasem, a solid-fuel MRBM with roughly 1,400 kilometers range. Designed to launch quickly from mobile launchers, making it hard to destroy on the ground. Fattah 1 and Fattah 2. Iran calls these hypersonic glide body missiles with about 1,400 to 1,500 kilometers range. The idea is that they fly faster and change course, making them harder for missile defenses to stop. Fattah 110 family, short to medium range missiles, most versions 300 to 500 kilometers. Some newer ones up to around 1,400 kilometers. Iranian forces have fired these at bases in Iraq and Syria in real operations. Zulfiqar Basir, more accurate SRBMs with about 700 to 800 kilometers range, can hit air bases and logistics hubs in the region. Qasem Basir, SRBMs with improved guidance, around 1,000 to 1,400 kilometers range. Used to hit regional targets that are too far for short-range rockets. These missiles are perfect for targeting US troops, bases, and allies without needing to fly into Israel itself. Cruise missiles and drones. Besides classic ballistic missiles, Iran uses cruise missiles and drones to overwhelm defenses. Hoveyzeh, a land attack cruise missile with a range of about 1,350 kilometers. It flies low and can sneak under radar, making it hard to intercept. Shahed 131 Shahed 136 drones, long-range, one-way attack drones. In Iran's 2024 attack on Israel, it fired over 170 of these drones in one wave. Paveh cruise missile, another low-flying missile Iran has used in attacks. Iran's strategy is saturation, launch missiles, cruise missiles, drones at the same time, so even if defenses stop 80 to 90%, some still get through. Hidden weapons and asymmetric tactics. If you liked this breakdown of Iran's weapons, like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell.